Hello, this is Justin and Christy with Interface Death. I'm testing a new little box that I made to shield out some radio frequencies. We got some EMF equipment out just so we can do some experiments with it. Can I show you how this is made? It has a little compartment in here if you want to put a speaker or a recorder in there. It has a larger compartment for your spirit box and a recorder. What I'm doing right now is I'm keeping a recorder in the same compartment as the spirit box. I'm shielding the spirit box with a little single layer of tin foil just because it helps shield it even more than the box, more than a box would by itself. So we'll start with this SB7 spirit box for our first test. We're going to record directly into the spirit box, and Christy's going to be listening to the playback of this spirit box, but she won't be able to hear what I'm saying all the way. She'll probably hear if she could turn it up louder, but I'm not going to turn it up loud for her. Yeah, let's turn it on. It's on FM on 100. You're not going to hear anything yet, hon. Gonna wrap it up. Turn this recorder on. Pretty much, we're going to do a quick session. Just ask for a response. Simple things. Intelligent responses. See if they can see us or hear us. Christy? Hear me? Can you hear my voice? Okay. So it'll be pretty much double blind as long as I don't yell. Okay, Christy, take your headphones off for a second. Take your headphones off. Alright. What you're going to do is you're going to listen to the full spectrum, sweep a couple times, see if you hear any radio. Okay, go ahead. I'll tell you when to stop. While she's doing that, I'm going to let you know that we're only receiving 0.2 baseline on milligauss for EMF, 75.1 degrees Fahrenheit. K2 is not registering anything. 0.2 is normal. It's probably reading these lights and the residual field in the room. Once Christy has listened to the full sweep a couple times, and she says that she don't hear anything coming through that's going to contaminate our experiment, and then we've just baselined the spirit box. So we'll let her listen to it for one more time, and then we'll begin the experiment. And then later, once I mix the two audio files together, we'll be able to tell, for sure if there's any responses or not. Okay, Christy, take it off. You hear anything? What do you mean, not really? Do you hear anything at all?
Any voices or no radio.
Okay, that's what's important. Okay. Alright, well, they're going to hear it on the mix, so let's begin the experiment. We're just going to do it for like 2 minutes. I'm going to ask some questions. You tell me if you hear something, say it out loud. P-SB7 session, experiment 1, double blind test.
There's something there.
Is there anyone in spirit in this garage with us right now? Say your name. Is there any family members with us? We would like to speak to anybody in spirit that can hear my voice. Can you hear me? Say yes. How many fingers am I holding up? Can anyone hear me? Say something as loud as you can. Who keeps opening this scuttle hole to the attic up above this garage?
Might have heard something there. Could make it out.
Are you trying to tell us something? Can you come up to this device? If you go near it, it lets us know that you're near it. Would you do that, please? Still 0.2 milligauss. Just went up to 0.3 for the first time. That's significant. Can you come closer to it? Down 0.2 again. I want to hit record to doing a spike. I have a device in this box. Can you use it to speak to me? Point 3. Can you touch that metal antenna at the end of that device on this table in front of me? How many fingers am I holding up? 0.3. Does anybody want to speak to Christy or Justin?
Got something there, like, might have said rabbit. I don't know.
Is that you trying to speak to us? Say yes if it's you. $75, fluctuating 0.2, 0.3.
Might have said, like, Jerry? I don't know.
Can you see us? Yes or no? Do you want to speak to us? Say something
there.
Say something as loud as you can with the device. Make a loud noise on it. Let us know that you're present. Registering at 0.3. Well, I'm going to turn this device off and review it. If you have a message, now's the time. What is your name? Thank you. Thank you.
From there.
Okay. You want to keep...
It sounded like fleas or something.
You want me to keep going? Let me know if you want to keep going. Give me a sign that you want us to keep speaking, or I'm going to shut off the device.
Might have been a yep.
Okay. What's your name? Are you a relative? Can you give us a sign that you're with us using these devices?
Something there.
How many fingers am I holding up? Tell me, how many is this? Last chance. Are you male or female?
Male. I heard male.
What are you doing here? What is your name, sir?
Probably. Make that up.
Can you say it louder, please? We cannot hear you. Hello. Do you wish us harm? Because when I open the door, I expect only love and light to come through. I don't want anything to prey upon me or my family. I'm going to shut the door. Do you have anything to say before I do that? Thank you and goodbye.